Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping, and today I'm going to show you how to install a 5mm locking clip. Okay, this video is about the stainless steel powder coated locking clip. The reason why it's called locking because it has this teeth and it gives you a 5mm gap. So it's very similar to the aluminium T-shaped clip. The only difference is that it's a bit shorter, so it doesn't cover the joist completely, and it has teeth, so it bites in. It doesn't allow boards to move as much. I'm going to show you how to install it. So basically it's a very similar installation as a standard T-shaped clip. You push it into the previous board, put your screw in. So don't tie it down, leave it like that, using a 50mm gap, 50mm screw. The same thing here, using a 50mm screw, you just, and then the next board goes in. You hold it off. While you're holding, you make few clicks and tie it down. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, whatever, and let's go.